I would like to thank both Mr. Pawar and Mr. Patnaik for a very rich session. And with that, we come to the last small session, as I would call it, which is the vote of thanks. And though we are much smaller in number now than when we began yesterday and through the day, I wanted to basically place on record very deep appreciation of your being here. I mean, this whole event was designed and meant for security professions in the security colleagues in the security profession, and I think we feel from the DSCI side much happy that we got such tremendous response. This has been by far the largest annual information security summit that we have seen. Being the 10th year, it makes it doubly satisfying, and it's all credit to colleagues like you who are reposing their trust on being here, sharing your knowledge, learning from each other, and then going back to your roles to do them even with a higher degree of excellence. So thank you very much for being here. This event would not have been possible without the very strong support of our sponsors, and some of them are here, some of them are having kiosks outside. We have seen them be here, share their expertise, share their offerings that they have with the community, interact with you. I think that has been a really great support, and we look forward to this continued engagement as we approach 2016. We are also very thankful to the speakers who came here, many of them from other cities and locations, many of them from their own with their own effort, expense, and without that kind of very deep involvement in the agenda of the conference and the mission of the security profession, it would not have been possible to have such rich discussions for the entire community. I would also like to thank supporting organizations. We have received rich support in this from various organizations, many of them government organizations, law enforcement, from member companies. Our chapters have really helped in spreading the word. The 12 chapters, DSA chapters in different cities, and their members, most of them were represented here, and we really would like to thank them for their involvement. We also been supported very strongly by Mr. Pawar. I want to single him out here because he has been a very inspiring leader throughout. He has been pushing us to do better, be even more ambitious. Some of the sessions that we did, the MP session, or inviting some of the key people to be here, he has always been pushing us, and we have really been benefited from his support and his being here on both the days. We got senior people to be here. Deputy NSA was here, Chairman NTR was here, Mr. Pillai, our chairman, was here most of the day. We got President ASCOM, and without Mr. Raman Roy spent 2 days here in different sessions, and of course the key people from the government, the MP session that we had today indicate that everybody is interested in this problem and everybody wants us to succeed, and they are willing to help us in this whole endeavor. I would like to thank our logistic partner, the hotel people did a fantastic job. This has been a great venue, and we would definitely want to come back here for the next edition. We are looking forward to the next AISS, which is likely to be in Mumbai as we alternate between cities, and we will look forward to meeting all of you there again and more people. Last but not the least, I would like to call the entire DSCI team on the stage to be with me. So they have really worked very hard to make this a success, and there have been a lot of moments of stress and tension, but they have really stood it through, and all credit to them for making success. Please. So thank you very much for your appreciation, and we'll continue the engagement. Of course, we'll be meeting individually, all of you, at different events and different occasions through the year, and of course definitely AISS 2016. Thank you very much.